Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking for an extremely convenient charger, check out this 3-in-1 wireless charger from Augnner. Now, this particular charger is for all you Apple lovers out there, especially if you have multiple devices. So this is a 3-in-1. It will charge your iPhone, your AirPods, and your Apple Watch all at the same time. I love the convenience of this charger. It even comes with the cable and the charging box, which is rare these days, so I appreciate that. It's super compact, folds down flat, great for travel, but then you can pop it up if you want to use all of the features. So this uses MagSafe wireless charging for your phone. It has a really strong magnet, so no worries about it slipping off. It is on there to stay. Underneath, you can pop this open and put your watch on it. I use this every single day. Love this feature. And then finally, if you're lucky enough to have AirPods, which I'm not, you can charge them here. So I'm just demonstrating with regular earphones, but this is where the actual AirPods would go. It also has a nice little light, which you can choose to have on and off, but it's nice and dim if you want a little bit of a night light. So ditch the cables, get yourself one of these, super portable, charges fast too. I don't have any issues with charging. It's nice and speedy, everything you're looking for in a charging station, and that's my point of view.